See here, as dear students, as a part of our lesson pressure in fluids, today we are going to understand about buoyancy. What is buoyancy or buoyant force? It's a means what let us see. First of all, I have taken a bucket and I filled water in it, and then I am taking a football and where I have applied a tape to this ball bladder. So water will not enter into this. Now what I am doing is just it is a common experience that we know what will happen. But let us see practically what is going to happen. So here I am just pressing the ball here and I am leaving it. You can see it. So something has happened here. That is very clear, right? That force is exerted by the liquid. I will try some one more time. Get some mud. Go and get mud. Now, see once again. I am applying the force. Yes. Video keda? Wouldn't. You see now? I am inserting it inside. The same thing will happen. The liquid or the fluid is exerting what? Upward thrust, and that we call as thrust or buoyancy. What we call? Buoyancy, right? Or buoyant force. Now one more concept is here in this. What is that means? If I apply some force, I want to immerse it inside. How much force I need to immerse it inside so that it should not come out? Then I should apply, because on the ball, on this football, there are two forces happening. What are the two forces? One is gravity, other is thrust. If I apply a force which is equal to this, then the ball will not come upside. Ball will be inside only now. It will be not coming up. Why the ball is not coming outside? Because my applied force is at least equal to what? Is equal to the difference of thrust minus weight. This is samanan only. Suppose if I just apply less force, I'm just making my hand weak now. Weak is now. I'm not removing my hand. Be weak is now. It is pushing me up. Why? Because the applied force is not matching this condition. Once again, you have to see here. I'm applying the force. I'm applying the force. We'll just try. Apply the force in this. It is inside, right? Don't give it. So it is inside, right, my dear students? Now your friend will make your fingers little weak and will not apply force more. See what will happen. It is standing up. That means to immerse the ball inside the water, the minimum force required is upward force minus weight of the ball. Hope you understood the class clearly. Yes. And activity you can do at home and you can explore your ideas. Thank you everyone for listening to me and thanks for this opportunity. Thank you.